People's Kwento, Volume 1, Maleta Politics versus Duterte Politics. Chapter 1, Davao City Bus Project. Magandang araw at maayong adlaw. Storya ta kadali. Why are people lining up here? May ayuda ba? Wala! Did you know that Davao City has started a bus project
with 10 units
that run on electricity? It was first launched last December 2025. Operations are from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. Mondays to Saturdays. 12 metro ang haba nito. Fully air-conditioned at low-floor design para mas accessible sa seniors at PWD.
This has a seating capacity of 46 to 48 seats.
It's open for everyone, whether Dabawenyo ka or hindi. A lot of people from students to workers are already taking advantage of this every day. May mga designated bus stops at malinaw na routes na sinusunod. These are brand new units. Hindi kagaya ng iba na parang dump truck. Oh my tax. They produce very little pollution. At nasabi ko na ba, libre ito. Let me repeat that. It's free.
Now let that sink in.
Sa gitna ng mga nangyayari sa giyera sa Middle East, pagtaas ng presyo ng gasolina at mataas na cost of living, alam nyo kung gaano kalaking tulong ito sa amin? What's even more amazing is that
With just local funding, without the support from the national government.
how crazy is that? This is just one of the many services Davao City is offering. Ngayon, itong tanong ko, meron ba kayo nito sa lugar nyo? At kung wala, ilang maleta kaya ang kailangan para mapatakbo ito?
This is Sarcastic Kung Pinoy. Thank you for watching.